Imagine cutting your cooking time in half while using 80% less oil and still getting that perfect crispy texture every single time. The 5 best air fryers to buy now. Hey everyone, it's Charles. We've spent the last 3 weeks testing 15 of the most popular air fryers on the market, cooking over 50 meals to find the absolute best options for your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which air fryer is right for your needs and budget. Plus, I'll share a little-known trick that will instantly improve your air frying results, regardless of which model you choose. We judged each air fryer on cooking performance, capacity, versatility, ease of use, and value for money. No sponsored content here, just honest reviews based on hands-on testing. From compact budget options to premium multi-function powerhouses, we've found the perfect air fryer for every kitchen. Let's start the countdown. 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Coming in at number 5 is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. This 6-quart model gives you 6 functions in one: air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. It hits 400 degrees in minutes and includes dishwasher-safe components. If you're tired of app-less air fryers with limited cooking options, the Vortex Plus solves this with its intuitive interface and 100+ in-app recipes that make it perfect for beginners. We tested these wings at 380 degrees for 25 minutes, and look at that perfect crisp with virtually no oil. The Even Crisp technology really delivers consistent cooking throughout. This is perfect for budget-conscious cooks who want solid performance without the bells and whistles. But if you're looking for more capacity and cooking flexibility, our number 4 pick might be more your style. 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven. At number 4, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven. This stainless steel 8-in-1 appliance combines air frying with a full convection toaster oven. It offers bake, grill, broil, and warm options in a compact footprint that won't overwhelm your counter. For those with limited counter space who can't justify multiple appliances, the Cuisinart gives you a legitimate toaster oven and air fryer in one sleek package. We love how it handles multiple cooking tasks simultaneously. Here, we're making perfect toast while air frying vegetables on the rack above, saving both time and energy. Pros: multifunctionality saves counter space, excellent temperature accuracy, premium stainless steel construction, great for families. Cons: slightly smaller air frying capacity. Controls take time to master. Now, if you're looking to feed a larger family with even more cooking options, our number 3 pick is about to impress you. 3. Ninja DZ401 Foodie 10-quart Dual Zone XL. Coming in at number 3 is the innovative Ninja DZ401 Foodie Dual Zone XL Air Fryer. This game changer features 2 independent 5-quart cooking baskets for a total 10-quart capacity. With 6 cooking functions including air fry, roast, broil, and dehydrate, plus the brilliant smart finish and match cook features. The Ninja solves the single basket limitation most air fryers have. No more cooking in batches. Now you can make an entire meal at once with different temps and times. Watch this. Chicken thighs at 375 degrees in the left basket, fries at 400 degrees in the right, both finishing at exactly the same time thanks to the Smart Finish technology. No more cold sides waiting for your protein to finish. 2. Emerald Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven. Our number 2 pick is the impressive Emerald Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo. This premium 25-quart monster features French doors, dual cooking zones, and incredibly versatile functionality. It's designed to cook up to 60% faster from frozen to finish with Emerald's signature 360-degree airflow technology. For serious home chefs tired of compromising between countertop appliances, this is essentially a second oven that air fries, dehydrates, slow cooks, and more, all with chef-approved results. We tested its versatility by cooking a whole chicken, different meats, and apple crisp simultaneously. The independent temperature controls and perfect air circulation created restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. 1. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. And our #1 pick for the best air fryer right now is the exceptional Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This brushed stainless steel masterpiece features a massive 1 cubic foot capacity, 13 cooking functions, and Breville's Element IQ system that directs power precisely where and when it's needed for perfect results every time. The Breville solves the compromise between countertop convenience and professional performance. It delivers results that rival or exceed what you'd get from a full-sized oven, with added precision and versatility. Which of these would be perfect for your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming kitchen gadget reviews. Next week, we're tackling the best smart coffee makers. I've included links to all these air fryers in the description below, along with any current discounts we found. Thanks for watching.